Okay, so 45-degree hip extension. On this one, we're going to make sure that we set it up so that the hip pads are pretty much just below the top of her hip bones. Now, as you can see, Clara's quite little, so we've got this on the littlest setting. Now, on this move itself, we're not really going to be too fussed about what's going on at the shoulder blades of the scapula. We're mainly focused on what's going on at the hip. So from this position here, what she's going to do is she's going to create a lot of tension in those hamstrings. It's going to clamp her glutes together. Now, as she's going to come upwards, what she's going to focus on is squeezing them together, trying to squeeze a walnut between the cheeks. At the same time, as she comes back up, what she's going to focus on doing is driving her quads down, but at the same time driving her heels back into this heel pad. Now what that will do is it will create a lot of tension in these hamstrings and glutes, which is exactly where we want it. Right now her overall load is just her body weight, but if this was too easy, what she could do is just grab a plate, hold it across her chest, or hold a couple of dumbbells straight down, and that would make that move that little bit harder. So there you have it, your 45-degree hip extension.